Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about construction of two similar triangle with given ratio of the corresponding side. Here we have line L, point C, and line AB that intersect line L at point A. Now we wish to construct a parallel side of AB, clear, on line L. So let us first draw arc from point A. Repeat the same arc from point C. Be careful, student, and intersect that arc on line L. Now measure the angle A with the help of rounder. Keep your point of rounder and pen on both the arc. Now take the same radius and make an arc on second arc which is drawn from point C. Now join that arc and point C. So when you join point C and that arc, we'll have, let's take it as point D. So CD is parallel to AB or AB is parallel to CD. So in this way we have prepared two parallel line AB and CD. We are going to use this concept in our construction. Here we have the question. Construct triangle of sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 5:4 times the corresponding side of the first triangle. So measurement of sides are 3, 4 and 5 cm in first triangle, and we wish to prepare another triangle with 5/4 times with respect to first triangle. Let's have a piece of paper. Then let's draw a 5 cm line as a one side of first triangle. So I'm taking point for 5 cm and then I'm extending the line, because this line is going to be very useful to draw another triangle similar to the first with ratio 5:4. Let's take point A. We are going to take point B later because it may be in the line joining a two triangle. So later we are going to take point B and C. Now we are taking 3 cm arc and 4 cm arc. So first let us take 4 cm arc from second point. So that is the measurement of second side. Then take 3 cm arc with the help of scale. Now take 3 cm arc that intersect our previous arc of 4 cm. Now this is our second point to prepare first triangle. So just join point A and that intersection of two arc. Okay. Be careful, student, our line should be quite straight in order to have correct construction. So let us take it as a point B and our previous point with the 5 cm length as point C from point A. Let's draw another line as ray AX. Okay. But before that, okay, let us write AX ray, AY ray. AX and AY are into opposite part of line AC. Okay, let us join B and C. Here ABC is our first triangle and we wish to prepare another triangle with measurement 5/4 times compared to triangle ABC. So we are going to take total 5 arc on ray AX. Here AX line should be at acute angle from point AC. So let us take total 5 points on ray AX. We are going to mark it as point A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Then join A4 and point C. Join A4 and C. So we will have one side A4C. So here A4C actually form a side similar to that of BC. Clear? So here second triangle is of 4 unit. Second triangle is of 5 unit and first triangle is of 4 unit. Let us take two arcs from point A4 and A5 with the same measurement, A4 and A5. Then measure the length of the first arc so that we will have angle of A4 or measurement of angle A4. So by taking this measurement we will get the value of angle for A4 angle. Now take the same arc on second arc taken by point A5. Now join that arc and A5. By joining arc, intersection and A5, we are going to obtain a parallel line with respect to A4C side. A4C side is parallel to A5C dash. So we have constructed A5C dash which is parallel to A4C. Now repeat the same thing from point C. Take a rough radius from point C. Intersect it on both the sides AC and BC. Repeat the same arc from point C dash. Now measure the length of arc taken by point C. So this arc is actually measurement of angle C. Measure it carefully, student, and repeat the same arc from the intersection of C dash arc on AC line. So when you make this arc on arc prepared from point C dash, clear, we will get the another intersection between two arc. Now join that intersection of arc and C dash point. Join intersection of arc and C dash point and let extend that line on ray AY. Extend that line on ray AY and mark that point as B dash on ray AY. So here B dash C dash is parallel to BC. Here B dash C dash side is parallel to BC. And here triangle A B dash C dash upon A B C are having the ratio of sides AB dash upon AB equals to B dash C dash upon BC equals to AC dash upon AC equals to 5 upon 4 times. So this is not 5 centimeter or 4 centimeter. This is 5 unit to 4 unit ratio between the measurement of sides of triangle AB dash C dash and ABC. Okay. So here our required triangle is AB dash C dash, which is 5 upon 4 times ratio to the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So 5 upon 4 times ratio is the measurement of side of triangle AB dash C dash to sides of triangle ABC. I hope, student, you are clear with this construction. If you have any confusion, you can comment me in comment section. Thank you.